Hi, it's Lauren, and today I'm leaving to study abroad in Italy. I am so excited. I am studying abroad through Santa Barbara City College and will be in Florence for 3 months. I am so thankful to have received scholarships from several people, places, etc. And a handful of them actually required an outreach project, and I have chosen to do a vlog for my outreach project because they are designed by the student. So for my vlogs, I will be showing you anything from what I am packing for my abroad trip to weekend excursions to a day in the life, etc. So I'm hoping that I can put one out every single week. My hope is to inspire other students to also study abroad in the future. I don't know if this is the right way to pack. This may be the wrong way to pack, but I'm gonna show you what I'm bringing anyways, because that's what we're here for, right? This is what I'm wearing on the plane. It's like this tie-dye sweatsuit outfit. I'm wearing these comfy like running type shoes. They're from like Carhu or something. This sweatsuit's actually from like this local boutique, so I don't know where exactly to get it. And then I paired it with these sunglasses. They're from Electric and they're super cute. I also have this teddy coat that I'm bringing with me on the plane just because it's gonna be freezing in Europe and I'm not prepared for that. Okay, so for the first bag that I have, it's this carry-on, and I love this bag. So I have snacks, because you know a girl's gotta eat, and it's just bars and like nuts and like random stuff. And then I have these glasses that I'm super excited to wear on the plane because they are just so nice and they don't like make your eyes feel super strained when you're staring at screens or reading books for super long. And those are also from Electric. I'm bringing a book to read because I'm gonna be bored, I assume. And I have like school supplies, like notebooks and stuff. I don't think I really need to take that out. I have my laptop. I made copies of my passport and copies of my passport card. Fun fact, just do that just in case something happens to your passport. I also packed cords for charging, like basic carry-on things, and like headphones. I bought face masks for me and my friend to use. I'm very excited for that because I feel like my face always breaks out on flights. I think that's all, and a couple hair clips because you never know when you're gonna get super annoyed with your hair and you don't want to deal with it. So that's what's in my carry-on, and it's such like a good size bag. I feel like it's just like a little bigger than a backpack, which is like perfect for like all of the school stuff plus the stuff you want to do on the plane. Yeah, so let's move on to the like small carry-on bag, which weighs way too much, but that's okay. It's still under the weight limit, and it fits so many things. It's so nice. Okay, so let's open this thing up. It took me kind of a long time to close, but I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do. Basically 3 pockets actually. There's this large one, and then there's these 2 smaller ones. In my second carry-on bag and in my huge bag, it's kind of just everything mixed together because I was just trying to fit everything in the 2 bags in the smartest way possible to get it there. So, I mean, I'm not gonna take everything out of those bags and show you. It's basically just my clothes and other miscellaneous stuff, like bathroom things, but I'll just do like a brief overview of kind of what's in the bag and like lift up certain things to show you. In this bag, I've packed like another jacket, extra bags, like mini purses, like tote bags to carry groceries in, shoes, and an extra trench coat, like basic things that you need when it's freezing out. I also packed boots, like Docs, and kind of like more athletic shoes just in case, you know, I choose to work out in the freezing cold. But, you know, may have to do that. So that's kind of just what's in the first bag. Also, side note, I packed more things that I thought could be layered rather than packing huge sweaters just because it took up less space. So I thought that was like a helpful hint So like long sleeves and like big jackets that could be layered instead of packing sweaters. So you can kind of see here what I have in my carry-on, and it's just extra bags, a couple hats. This is shoes, and I put them in plastic bags so they don't make my suitcase gross. I pack totes because I feel like when I go grocery shopping, I'm gonna wanna have bags to carry my food in. And on this side, it's just like underwear and stuff. This side I have more shoes because I love shoes and my bathroom things and like boots. Yeah, so that's what's in the first carry-on, or what I could fit in the first carry-on. So I'm gonna show you the mega bag. I did like one huge one and then a smaller one just because I feel like I don't want to have two huge suitcases. That would be a little much. And I'm only going for 90 days. Okay, so on the first half, I have pants, scarves, extra pair of jeans I forgot to throw in, lady stuff that is necessary, sunglasses, boots, some sweatpants. And then this side, I packed shampoo and conditioner, like the basic bathroom things, some tops, and a couple sweatshirts. Yeah, and that's all for the big bag. Yeah, so that is what I packed for studying abroad. Now I have to zip it all back up, so that should be fun. Yeah, and I think once I get there, I'll go into like more detail of like what outfits I'm wearing there, or like what I find necessary once I get there, but I just wanted to do like a short idea of what I'm packing for my trip. And I hope that you enjoyed watching my short packing video. Super excited to be doing this. Also nervous because I've never really vlogged before, but here I am. And again, thanks for watching. Okay, bye-bye.